Hello lovely family and friends, welcome back to my channel Dovi's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make tomato sauce. Making tomato sauce at home is very simple and very healthy and cost effective. Stay tuned and let's do this together. We are making this from scratch and it's going to be full of flavor. As you can see, I have some tomatoes here. I'll wash it very well with water and vinegar. Now cut them and remove the seeds. You can decide to leave the seed. It is optional. The seeds can make the tomatoes peel. That is why I normally remove it. I will now put it on fire and let it simmer. I will not be adding water to it. Look at the juice that is releasing. I will check on it periodically and stir so that it will not burn. I will cover it and let it simmer. We will let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. It has released a lot of juice, so I'll fetch some from it and set it aside for later use. Our aim is to make a thick tomato sauce. So if you don't fetch some of the juice, it will take a lot of time to cook down. So this is the consistency I'm going for. We are done. We can go ahead and blend it, but I will be adding some vegetables to it. You can add it to the tomatoes before cooking or blend it with the tomatoes. Let's go ahead and cut the vegetables and blend it with the tomatoes. I'm using scallions, ginger, garlic and onion. You can also add pepper if you want, or any herb of your choice. I'm now going to blend it and store it in containers. Look at our tomato sauce, so beautiful. I'll refrigerate some and freeze some. Making tomato sauce saves time a lot, and it significantly reduces preparatory time for meals throughout the week or month. It can be used for pasta dishes, pizza, soups, stews, baked dishes like lasagna and others. It's healthy, simple, and cost-effective. Once you try this, you will never want store-bought sauce again. We'll scoop everything into our containers. We will not waste anything. I hope you enjoyed this video and you give it a try. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks to all my subscribers and returning viewers. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.